how do you cook a lemon meringue pie? I don't think I spelled it right. Let me see if I can get the right spelling here. I don't know which is what. I'm just going to pick that and see what we get. Here we go. Lemon, yeah, I spelled it wrong, but it spells it right. It's a classic dessert with lemon filling and a meringue topping. Here are the basic recipes to make that pie. One pre-made cup of sugar, cornstarch, salt, water, eggs yolks, lemon juice, grated lemon zest, butter, egg whites, cream of tartar, a cup of sugar. Oh, now it's telling us how to do it. You got to preheat the oven, medium saucepan. It's telling you what kind of saucepan to have. Gradually stir, separate the small bowl. I can't even read it as fast as it's pumping it out. I mean, this isn't a couple seconds. Imagine if you go on Google and you try to find this and you got to sift through all the different Google things. Here, it just gives it to you. This is going to crush Google search. It really is. Now, the question is this all correct? I don't know. We're going to find out. So here it goes. It's doing its thing. Note, what happened? Oh, this is just one recipe. You can also use other ingredients and variations. All right, so here's the cool thing about this. If you didn't like this one here, you can click this and you're going to get a new one. It'll give you a whole new one. Check it out. And it's kind of doing the same thing. Now it's a little bit different order. Kind of like the same stuff. Now I want you guys to notice up here, it shows how many responses it's given us. It's given us 2. All right. And let's let it go ahead and fill it in. I might speed this part up. It really gives you some detailed information, doesn't it? Now you could stop generating down here if I click that, but let's let it keep on generating. It's thinking. Sometimes this happens, it just stops. Maybe because I did that. I don't know. I didn't click it. Come on, ChatGPT, give me some more information. Well, anyway, if I wanted to go back, I could click this little arrow here. It'll give me the other one. If I want to go forward, I can click this. Oh, network error. Look at that. So let's go back. This is this one. Let's go ahead and regenerate that response again. Sometimes this happens. I mean, there's millions of people on this thing. All right, I may speed this up. Now it's telling me that I've got 3 on here. Wow, it really gives you a detailed way. Look at, in a medium saucepan, whisk together the sugar, cornstarch, and salt. Gradually whisk in water, eggs, egg yolks. Cook over medium heat, whisking constantly while mixing, blah, blah, blah. The recipe is for lemon meringue pie, which is different from a lemon melange pie. If you are looking for melange pie, I would suggest searching for one online, as I don't have a recipe for it. All right, let's go ahead. Let's give that thumbs up. Excellent job, ChatGPT. Thanks. Keep up the good work. And we send the feedback. And so bam, there you go. Let's go back and see what it shows for 2, because it did give us a network error. So our 2 is a network error. It stays there. And then that's that. And that's how you make a lemon meringue pie. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this.